Should I close my basement vents in the winter?
Around here, we don't have a lot of basements, but why would you want to close the vents? I wouldn't do it. Get a separate zone if you want to raise that temperature or lower it in the basement. It'll turn off and not blow down there. Or I would get a separate system, but my philosophy and the philosophy of every HVAC pro is do not close the vents in your home. So basement, same thing. I would not close the vents. If you don't have a separate system or a separate zone, it is what it is. You just got to keep it rolling.